Have you ever been stuck trying to convert your Java code to Kotlin, only to be met with frustrating errors? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with RecyclerViewActions and how to resolve it. I totally get how annoying it can be when you think you have everything set up correctly, only to be stopped in your tracks by a type inference error. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when transitioning from Java to Kotlin. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting a type inference failed error when using RecyclerViewActions in Kotlin?" They provided their Java code and the Kotlin conversion, but ran into a stack trace that left them puzzled. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what does this error mean? The type inference failed message indicates that Kotlin is having trouble determining the type of a parameter in your function call. This often happens when the compiler needs more information to infer the type correctly. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to fix this issue, but also gain insights into best practices for Kotlin conversions. To address the type inference issue, the user should explicitly specify the type parameter for the RecyclerViewActions.scrollTo method. This can be done by providing the type of the view holder as a generic parameter. Next, the user should ensure that the view holder type is correctly defined. This is crucial for the scrollTo method to work properly. Additionally, the user should check if the artist result object is properly initialized and contains the expected data. This will help avoid any null pointer exceptions. Finally, after making these adjustments, the user can run the test again to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, reviewing the stack trace for additional clues may be helpful. Fun fact, did you know that Kotlin was designed to be fully interoperable with Java? This means you can mix and match both languages in your projects, but sometimes it can lead to these tricky type inference issues. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using a generic view holder to resolve the type inference issue. You can specify RecyclerView.viewHolder directly in your RecyclerViewActions methods. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the scrollToPosition method instead. They recommend specifying the position directly, like this, onView with the RecyclerView ID, followed by perform and scrollToPosition with the desired index. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the ActionOnItem function. They recommend specifying the RecyclerView viewholder type and using the @position method to perform a click action on a specific item. Here's a pro tip. Always keep an eye on your type parameters when converting from Java to Kotlin. It can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With this adjustment, your RecyclerViewActions should work seamlessly in Kotlin. Remember, understanding type inference is key to mastering Kotlin. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more Kotlin challenges.